There is a remarkable difference between self-awareness and self-concept. We often say this to everyone around, I know myself. This is a sentence I think anybody and everybody uses. I know who I am. I know how I react. I know my personality. I know my strengths. I know my weaknesses. I know my fears. I know what tricks me. I know what triggers me. I know. But have you ever wondered whether knowing about yourself is the same as truly knowing yourself? एक तरफ है knowing yourself, दूसरी तरफ है knowing about yourself. I don't think they are the same things. In fact, I think one of the greatest confusions of today's time is that we have mistaken self-concept for self-awareness. They both sound very similar. दोनों एक जैसे लगते हैं, एक जैसा नाम लगता है, but they're worlds apart. How? See, self-concept जो होता है, that is a story you have been telling about yourself, to either to yourself or to other people. I am an introvert. I am an ambitious person. I am an emotional person. I am not so good with people. I am so good with people. I'm a perfectionist, or I'm always overthinking, or I have always been this way. अगर आप इसके बारे में थोड़ा सा ध्यान देते हो, every one of those sentences is a conclusion. It is a description. It is a label that you have been given yourself. A memory that has been repeated so many times in your brain, in your mind, that it begins to feel like truth. Self-awareness इससे बहुत different है. It is not a story. It is the one person who is watching that story unfold. Imagine अगर आप किसी रिवर के साइड पे खड़े हो. रिवर कीप्स फ्लोइंग, पानी बह रहा है. इमेजिन करो जैसे थॉट्स बह रहे हैं, इमोशंस बह रहे हैं, ओपिनियंस बह रहे हैं, मेमोरीज बह रही हैं, लेबल्स बह रहे हैं, आइडेंटिटीज बह रही हैं. बिकॉज हम हर मोमेंट पे चेंज हो रहे हैं. दे ऑल पास लाइक वाटर, दे आर ऑलवेज फ्लोइंग, ऑलवेज चेंजिंग. सेल्फ कॉन्सेप्ट कहता है कि आई एम ट्राइंग टू डिस्क्राइब द रिवर. सेल्फ अवेयरनेस कहती है आई एम ओनली स्टैंडिंग देयर नोटिसिंग दैट द रिवर इज फ्लोइंग. थिंग्स आर चेंजिंग, everything is moving. One is always busy defining, the other one is quietly observing something happening. This is why someone can spend years trying to analyze themselves, but they still are deeply unaware of themselves, truly. उनको अपनी लाइफ के हर चैप्टर के बारे में पता है, बट हमेशा हर चैप्टर को उन्होंने स्टोरी टेलर के हिसाब से देखा है कि मेरे साथ ये हो रहा है. आई एम द कैरेक्टर हु इज प्लेइंग दैट रोल. But they've never watched themselves as an audience. आप ये देखो हम कितनी जल्दी किसी को अपना इंट्रोडक्शन देते हैं. I'm a confident person, I'm a shy person, I'm anxious, I'm spiritual, I'm logical, I'm sensitive, I'm successful, or I've seen so many failures, whatever. और हर उस लेबल के पीछे एक सच है कि हम एक वॉल क्रिएट कर रहे हैं इस ओपन स्पेस में कि मैं ये हूँ, मैंने अपना बॉक्स क्रिएट कर दिया. Because once you believe that I am this box or I'm inside this box, your mind will quietly stop looking for evidence that you can be anything outside this box, that you could be something else outside this confinement that you've created. इसीलिए जब आप कहते हो ना कोई इंसान सेल्फ अवेयर होता है, it is so much freeing because अब मेरा कोई बॉक्स ही नहीं बचा जो मुझे कन्फाइन करे. Awareness does not need you to defend an identity, that box. It simply observes an experience as it unfolds. मेरे सामने इस वक्त ये हो रहा है. सपोज हम एंगर की बात करें. सेल्फ कॉन्सेप्ट क्या कहता है? आई एम एन एंग्री पर्सन, आई गेट ट्रिगर्ड वेरी इजीली. सेल्फ अवेयरनेस कहती है आई एम वॉचिंग एंगर अराइजिंग विद इन मी. इट इज अराइजिंग, इट विल ऑपरेट, एंड देन इट इज ऑल्सो मूविंग आउट. दीज टू सेंटेंसेज साउंड वेरी सिमिलर, बट दे एंड अप क्रिएटिंग वेरी डिफरेंट लाइव्स. पहले वाले में you become the emotion, you become the anger, you become triggered. In the second one, you are only noticing it. You are only a witness, sakshi, drishta, observer. And what we can witness, obviously if we are witnessing, it is not us, it is something else, and we are not controlled by it. Anger is not controlling me because I am watching it. I am not anger. इसीलिए चेंज बहुत डिफिकल्ट होता है कई लोगों की जिंदगी में, बिकॉज वी आर ट्राइंग टू प्रोटेक्ट आवर बिलीव्स, वी आर प्रोटेक्टिंग आवर आइडेंटिटीज, वी आर सो मर्ज्ड विद दैट आइडेंटिटी और द रोल दैट वी आर प्लेइंग. बदलाव हो ही नहीं सकता. समवन सेज दैट यू आर रॉन्ग. अब मेरे ऊपर ये बात चुभ गई है मुझे कि आपने तो मेरी एग्जिस्टेंस को ही क्वेश्चन कर लिया, मेरी आइडेंटिटी को क्वेश्चन कर लिया. मैं यही तो हूँ. आइडिया आपका मैटर नहीं करता क्या है, बिकॉज मैंने उस आइडिया के साथ अपनी आइडेंटिटी इतनी ज़्यादा मर्ज करी हुई है कि यही तो रोल मैं प्ले कर रहा हूँ. आपने उस रोल को कह कैसे दिया? द रोल डज नॉट, द ईगो डज नॉट डिफेंड ओपिनियंस, इट डिफेंड्स द सेल्फ कॉन्सेप्ट. मैंने क्या सोचा हुआ था अपने बारे में. एंड परहैप्स दिस इज वाई ग्रोथ फील्स सो अनकंफर्टेबल, बिकॉज ग्रोथ कह रही है आप अपनी मुट्ठी खोलो. You loosen your grip on the person you think you are and think that you can be anything. And the irony is beautiful. The more certain we become about who we are, we have left very little space, very little room to imagine that we can be something else. Real self-awareness जिस इंसान को हो जाती है, बहुत ही humble हो जाता है, because he is not rushing to conclusions. He is not constantly saying that this is who I am. वो लेबल नहीं लगा रहा है. Instead, he becomes curious. आज मैं ये हूँ, आज मैं एक्सपीरियंस कर रहा हूँ, पता नहीं कल क्या होगा. What is happening within me right now? I'm experiencing that. Not what happened yesterday. वो तो कल का था. 5 साल के बाद क्या होगा वो बाद में होगा. इस मोमेंट पे this is what I'm experiencing. I'm only an observer of this happening. I am not this, but I'm just watching this is happening right now. You are not a fixed object to be defined once and for all. You are a living process. आज ये हो रहा है, कल ये नहीं रहेगा, या कुछ और होगा. I'm always changing, I'm always learning, I'm always adapting to new situations every single moment. If not for every single day, every single moment. Maybe you are not your confidence, you are experiencing confidence. Maybe you're not your insecurity, you're experiencing insecurity. You're not your success, you're not your failure. This is what you're seeing. You are not the results that come out of your personality test. You are not the story your past keeps telling you, because वो तो तब था. That is when you experience it. Today you are not experiencing that. Maybe those are only experiences that are moving through your awareness. आज मैं इसके लिए जागृत हूँ, मेरे को ये दिखाई दे रहा है, कल ये नहीं रहेगा. And if that is true, the most important question is not that who am I? The most wiser question, the most important question is, what have I mistaken myself to be? मैं क्या अपने बारे में गलतफहमी लेके चल रहा हूं कि मैं तो ऐसा ही हूं, मैं तो कुछ भी हो सकता हूं. The day you stop clinging to every description of yourself, you don't become lost, you become available. Available for new opportunities, available to grow. इस बॉक्स से बाहर I can be anything. You're available to surprise yourself. You are available to respond very differently than you behaved yesterday, or respond differently than yesterday. You become available to become somebody your old self can never imagine you could be. And maybe this is where transformation begins. बदलाव जिंदगी में अब आता है, क्योंकि मैं कुछ भी हो सकता हूं ना. Not when you finally discover who am I, but when you stop believing that the story that I've been telling myself is all that I could be. Because you could be anything. Any experience you can have that are flowing in front of you. If you like this video and if you're interested in topics like such, I would suggest you subscribe to this channel, Mind Healing with Bhavesh. I continue to post videos that guide you to live a life to its infinite potential, something that life has in store for you, that life has to offer you. And if you have any comments, any opinions, any suggestions, do write that down in the comment section below. Until the next video, I want you to stay blessed, stay healthy, and catch hold of this wisdom if you can. But for today, thank you so much for joining in. I shall see you very soon. Take care. Bye-bye.